Here's jump. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your boy DYangBass. Today we are going to start off with this video by saying this video is sponsored by Mystery Tackle Box. If you guys don't know what it is, it's a box that you subscribe to. Get some new lures every month, learn some new ways to catch fish, learn new techniques, expand your knowledge when you're out there, and have a great time. So make sure you guys check the link down below. Let's go ahead and open this box and see what's inside. There we go. Oh yeah, here we go. We got some goodies in here. So how many hooks? All right, there you go. Ooh, some 2 packs. Green pumpkin red flakes. Vertical. Check that out. And we gotta sell some hoiks fish. Kind of like some big Cinco looking thingy with like ripples on the side. Pretty good. Okay. Oh, let's go. I had always wanted one of these. Check it out. Wow, look at that. That is so cool. This thing is... Wow, dude. And it's a bluegill pattern too. It's over, man. Oh yeah, some western topwater. Let's go for some smallies. There we go. And we got ourselves a 0 gravity jig. Boom. That is pretty sweet. I like the color. I like the whole fall bluegill pattern. That's awesome. And then let's see what else we get in here. That is so cool. That is way cool. Check that out. Boom. Ain't that slick? And we got to check this one. This is one of my, I've always wanted one of these. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go. Oh, I'm gonna have to hold it like this. Boom. That thing is so sweet. I love the profile on that too. Wow. What's nice is that there's a hook right inside. It's gonna focus. There you go. So when the fish bites onto it, so when they bite onto it, you set the hook, it flings out. Just like that, all right? I don't know if you guys can see it, but there we go. So it clicks right back in as a magnet. That was pretty sweet, guys. So if I were you guys, hit the link down below. Check it out right now. Get your first box. Start building your tackle. That way, when you do go out, you are always ready to hit the water. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys in this video. Peace. Got one. Little guy. Okay, so they are here. God, so acrobatic. Jeez, look at him go. Nice. Ooh, little chunker, eh? So pretty. Look at that. First smallie in a while. Look at the color on that thing. So cool. Alright. See you, buddy. Got another one. Oh, gee, they're stacked up there. Promise you guys, not the same one. And again, guys, if I catch a bunch of these little ones, I'm not going to edit them in there. Unless I don't catch any big ones at all. But look at the fall color on that thing. That is so cool. Wow. The benefit of wading in cold water like this is that the rocks aren't slippery because it's getting colder, you know? The rock doesn't have algae and stuff on it. So, that's nice. Got him. Little guy. Oh, it's a largemouth. Nice. That's cool. There you go. Haven't seen these things in the river in a while. So cool. Well, tell you guys right now, there's not a lot of action. Like, there's some, you know, but they're not. I don't think there's anything big. Just a lot of little small bass. But the idea here is to find the big bass that are trapped back here, because the water went down so quick. So, oh, that's a nice. Oh, jeez. Oh, I'm still talking. All right, let's try it again. It's a nice fish. He spit it out so quick. What? Oh, jeez. Freaking dropped my rod. The slime on the fish is still on my reel. They're so feisty, dude. The the things I have to do to get to the hot spot. Oh man, this sucks. Be very careful here. You gotta jump. You gotta jump. Sheesh. Way to scare off the fish, David. Good old guy. Oh, acrobatic. Gee, oh, he went under my leg. Get him out of the water right away. But the other one hears him. Nice. There's a lot of them. Just not the one we're looking for. Little guy. Still nice. Oh jeez. Flew in the air. Okay. Went a little quiet there, but we got one. They're really really slimy. There you go. Nice little guy. See ya. Right back to the pool. That's a better one. Oh, jeez. It's a nice one. Look at him go. I'm fighting down here. Oh, there we go. That's a nice bass. A lot better than the one. A lot better than the ones we were catching. That's a nice bass. There we go. Sheesh. Walked miles for this thing. Just one thing. A little better. Not big, but definitely a lot better fish. I'm throwing back here. Oh, and he goes right up to the pool. Nice. Don't disturb all the other ones. Alright, see if we catch another one. Third one in a row. Let's see. There we go. That's a better fish. Oh, jeez. Nope. It's just a runner. Jeez, they fight so hard. They feel big as heck. That's awesome. And I'm on a tree. Oh, jeez. There we go. Dang, there's loaded in this spot. Jeez, relax. I don't want to get him on the rocks. I want to hurt himself. Look at that thing. So pretty. All right, buddy. Calm down. Another one. Jeez. Dude, there's a ton of fish in that hole. That's crazy. Relax, relax. Ah. Nope, they're not the same fish. Look how pretty that is. Oh, I know there's a big one in here. Got one. Such runners. Damn, they're just inhaling it too. Real sharp teeth. Nice one. Jeez. It's a nice smallie. Nice. That's the best one yet. Whoa. Yep. It's a good smallie. Oh, I'm gonna belly him. Oh, look how pretty that thing is. Oh, jeez. It's so feisty, dude. Relax, relax. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Finally, a worthy one. Man. This whole day. Look at that. That is considered a really good smallie for a small river like this. Wow. And it goes right back to its spot. It's crazy.